There's long-standing debate in the cold email space whether it's good practice to use links in your outreach emails. And then there's the against the links camp that argues that the content filter at email service providers give a higher suspicious email score to those emails that have links in them. While it is true that the content filters have rules and checks against links in the email body, these rules usually check for two different things. First one is that is there an excessive number of links with regards to the length of the body text in the email, and second of all, whether these links point to a domain that appear on URL blacklists. So when you want to use links in your emails, you should make them to appear as legitimate and unambiguous as possible. So let's look at an example here. So which one would you click? Would you click the first one or the second one, which is fairly obvious what the links is about? You can recognize the domain. Maybe it's because it's the same as for where the email came from. So fortunately, I have a solution for you that you don't have to use links like the first one, whether it's a calendar booking link or any other link that you want to share with your prospect. It's known as a URL shortener, but it's much more than that. And I'm talking about dub.co, which is as it says, it's an open source link management infrastructure for modern marketing teams. And what's cool about this software is it is open source. You can host it yourself if you wish, but their SaaS offering is actually really good. So I highly recommend you check that out, and it's not too expensive. So let's go to the dashboard, and we can see I have a new Rogers project here. And with a couple of links, you see the meet.newrogers.com/about-call-email. So, which is pointing to our cal.com meeting booking link for our cold email stack. And what's cool that what you can do is you can add your own domains. You can add as many as you want. You can add your outreach domains here, and you can use a subdomain, any subdomain that you wish to brand your links. And then obviously the actual path part, you can customize that to be anything for any given link that points anywhere in the internet, any URL. So I highly recommend that you use this kind of a service to, first of all, make your links look much nicer, but more importantly, that for the content filter, it appears that it is pointing to the same domain where your email is coming from. That will ensure that the link won't be scored unfavorably for you, but even maybe favorably, because it is pointing to the same, belong to this email, and the context is valid for this email. And so everything in this video, the URL generation, all the domain configurations and so forth are part of our automated cold email stack that we set up for you if you work with us at NeuroJets. So I highly recommend you check down the link below and see what our cold email stack is about, and whether that might be a good solution for you if you're looking to run successfully email campaigns in 2024. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.